Good day, YouTube. So, yeah, I'm making a quick video to kind of show you guys what might be a really stupid move. So, on Friday, before the market closed, I sold out of my positions on both my pot stocks. Yeah, so that could bite me, or maybe not. ACB was my big one. And if we look right here, really, I'm not. Sorry, I'm not losing because I have realized gains now of $2,500. So I made it. I took some profits, and I did that with my Aphria too, which I didn't have that big of a position. $590 in realized profits now. So why I did that is because over the last so many days, those two stocks, all the weed stocks have kind of been just shooting up. And right now, if you look at this chart, ACB or Aurora is well outside of the Bollinger Bands. And I'm kind of betting on a correction when the market opens tomorrow. And I want to buy it back cheaper. You can see that on that last day of trading, people already started to take profits. So it got up to what? Almost 1050? Yeah, 1050. And then it took a big dip and then started coming back. I bought it as it started, or I sold out as it started coming back. I sold out at 941. And my guess is that it's going to do like it did back here, where people took profits. It came back, and this was over 2 days. Over 2 days, people took profits, came back. People took profits, came back. And then people really took profits, and it dipped all the way down into the low $6 range, 620. So I'm betting on that happening now, as people are starting to take profits. I do believe they did that with Aphria as well. Yes, they did the exact same thing. The chart followed the exact same pattern. People took profits and then bought back when it dipped down, which I wish I would have done that. I missed that. I should have took profits earlier in the day and then bought back when it hit the bottom. And here's back here, the beginning of the month, or the beginning of end of November, you can see it did the exact same thing. As it was coming up, people took profits, came back, and people took profits, bought it back, and then it kind of leveled out, and then it started its upward trend from there. So I think right now is the time, or actually Friday was the time, if not Tuesday morning, when the markets reopen, to buy back in, or to sell if the market doesn't open down. As you can see, go back here on this day, it opened really high and then sold off almost instantly and went all the way down to 790. So I'm going to be watching this like a hawk come Tuesday morning, because I want to buy back everything that I pulled out and more shares at a lower price, because I'm greedy and I want to make money. So I thought I'd make this post and show you guys what I did, and tomorrow morning we'll find out if I am right or if I am wrong. Anyways, guys, if you have any questions, comment below. I'll get back to you. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.